We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Myself, Dhawan Patel, lecturer in Kolhapuri Polytechnic, Navsari, in Computer Engineering Department. Today, we learn on the structure, nested structure. Nested means one structure located inside another structure is called nested structure. Now we see the syntax. Suppose there are 2 structures. First one is struct. Structure name. Second one is struct. Structure name. And here we use the first structure. Suppose that is structure 1 and structure 2. So here we use structure 1. And then structure variable. So that one is the nested structure because the structure 1 used in the structure 2. So that is your definition. The one structure located inside the another structure is called nested structure. So here we take only 2 structure, but we can also take the multiple structure. Suppose we take the one program. Here we see there are the 2 structure. First one is address and second one is student. So here we see there are the 2 member of address, character and mobile. Here we take the long integer because there are the mobile number have a 10 digit. Second one is the student. In this structure we use the address structure. Here see struct address and add is the structure variable. So that one is called the nested structure. Now see in the program how we use the nested structure. That is the simple. We create the 2 structure. In main program we use only source structure object. Source structure object std is the source structure. In this structure we use the address. So here we take the std object of the student. When we use the member of the same structure, there are no need to address, only use the STD, see here, STD enrollment number, because the enrollment number is the member of the student structure. Now we use the city and mobile, that is the member of the address. So here we use std.ad.city, because STD is the student. So now call the STD. So here, and from then after address, so address called the here. This way use the nested structure. So STD is the student variable, address AD is the address variable, and city is the member variable of the address. So there are the mobile also is the variable of address. Now we see the output. That is the nested. Now we see the difference between array and structure. First, array is group of elements of same data type. And structure is group of element of different data type. That is the major thing. Second one is data type. Array is derived data type. There are three types of data type: primary data type, user defined data type, and derived data type. In primary data type, we take the integer, float, character, and void. User defined data type, that means the developed by the user, and derived one data type developed from the another data type. So in array we use the numbers of element from given one element. So it is array is a derived data type, and structure is user defined data type. Defined data type. Array is sequential. It is not a sequence. That is the major difference between array and